Hello viewers, today in this video I will review Boat Rockrage 255 Pro. We will see whether this earphones is worth enough or not. The build quality of Boat Rockrage 255 Pro seems to be very good. The ear tips are connected with magnets and the Boat branding on the top. On the left there is Boat branding. On the right there is power button, volume rockers. On the top of the right you can find the charging dock. This is not a Type-C port. This is a micro USB port. Now coming to the earphones, the ear tips is very soft. As you can see, 2 more ear tips have been provided by the company. The earphone supports Bluetooth 5.0. In order to connect to your mobile phone, you have to power on the device or earphones by clicking on the power button. Then it will connect to the smartphone. But this earphone has a drawback. It doesn't automatically pause or play when you attach the earphones through magnets. They still continue to play and it will create a nuisance. As you can see, if you want to power it off, you have to press the power button, and in this way you can switch off or you can disconnect your earphones. One area where this Boat 255 Pro excels is the sound quality. It has optimum amount of treble, bass and vocals. All the beats are clearly audible. This video is being recorded through the earphones of Boat Rockrage 255 Pro. You can test the quality of the mic. Normally the call quality is very good, but sometimes I face problem while listening to the audio of the other person whom I am calling. The battery backup of these earphones is very good. The company claims that it will provide battery backup of 8 hours. However, in my testing I got battery backup of around 7 hours, which is also great. In 20 minutes charge you will get 4 hours of playback. I have shortlisted 3 pros of these earphones. First of all, the build quality is excellent. Next, the sound quality of this earphone is also very good. And third but not least, the price of this earphone is reasonable. This earphone has 3 drawbacks. At a price point of 1300 rupees, the company should have provided Type-C charging, play pause option through magnetic earphones, and the voice call should have been better. Now the question arises whether you should buy this pair of earphones or not. If you are on a tight budget of 1300 rupees, then you should definitely check out these earphones. The earphones are very good in vocals, in trebles, mids and also bass. So I recommend these earphones to buy. If you have liked this video, please share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.